Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change your country or region in the Google Play Store. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, select Payments and Subscriptions and then tap on Payment Methods. Scroll down and tap on More Payment Settings. This will open a browser where you might need to sign in to your account. Once logged in, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner and select Settings. There, you will find the option for Country or Region. Tap on the Edit icon, and you will see a message saying that you need to create a new payments profile for the new country or region. Tap on Create New, then press Continue. Now, select your new country from the list. For example, if you are moving to the United States, find and select United States, then press Continue. Finally, enter your name and new address. Once completed, your Google Play Store country will be updated. And that's it. Now you know how to change your country in the Google Play Store.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.